Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today we're going to be looking at Robert Oster, Thunderstorm. And it is a blue-black ink. It's dark and mysterious. And it looks like it has some deep shading properties. Let's see, we'll do low to high, and then we'll do this. What? Come on. What? Robert Oster, Thunderstorm from Cult Pens is £4.95. Oh, come on, this is ridiculous. Well, $14.76 from Cult Pens. Goulet has it too for $17. Van Ness has it for $17 for a 50ml bottle, or a 4ml sample for $2.50. Oh, that looks very dark. This sample came from Goulet Pens. The last time that I got samples from them, they sent me a whole bunch of black inks. Red black, violet black, green black, blue black, brown black, black black. Brian, if you're listening to me, you need to tell your company, stop sending me black inks. They're not cute. I love you, but please no more. Thank you. Okay, so this is the sample that I got from Goulet Pens. It was a 2ml sample. At least I think I got it from Goulet Pens. It might be from a pen friend. Let me double check. Just really quick. Okay. I'm done looking at the thing now. Oh, it says I have 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Oh, I'm running out of time. I don't know what's going on. I'm so sorry about that. I had to change to the internal storage. Where we left off was right here. I was getting ready to fill this here cartridge converter with Robert Oster Thunderstorm. Okay. Make sure and cap it so it doesn't go spilling everywhere. Move that out the way. Place it inside of the pen. Prime the feed really slowly. Alright, now we're going to be looking at the memo book from Walmart.com. Robert Oster Thunderstorm. Okay. No bleed through on the back. I would totally use the back side of this paper. Alright. Moving right along. We're going to start off. We're going to go back and forth today just because we're going to look at the Birmingham Pen Company 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. Robert Oster. I have a really good feeling about this ink. It's really dark. It's like almost black. No bleed through, some heavy ghosting. I didn't do the smear test on this today. Okay. I can still see the skeleton, so that's good. Now we're going to look at the Fabriano EcoQua 85 GSM. I'm almost out of this one too. Robert Oster. That is a really nice ink. That is a really nice ink. No bleed through on the back. I would totally use the back side of this paper. Oh, Alright. Now we're going to move on to the CVS Caliber notebook. That one didn't smear too much, did it? It's good. Relatively a fast dry, too. I love this paper. I'm thinking about getting some CVS Caliber book the next time I go out. Because this stuff is really hardy and hardly anything bleeds through. So, I would totally use the backside of that paper. Alright, moving down to the Clairefontaine 6-ish by 8-ish, 90 gram. Clairefontaine is my #1 favorite at the moment. Robert Oster. It's smooth. It's very smooth. It's like a baby's butt. It's so nice. No bleed through on the back. I would totally use the back side of this paper. Alright. Moving on to the Lamy notebook. This is Lamy 90 gram. I'm gonna call it square ruled paper because they are little squares. But it's not graph paper because you can see lines. Catch, you dig? So, I'm gonna move that out of my way for right now. Robert Oster. This stuff would be great if you're just getting into bullet journaling and or you're learning calligraphy. You could learn spacing and height of letters really good. But, I mean, it's a little intrusive, but then again, so is graph paper. So, the square rule is nice because it gives you some dimension without, like, giving you too much dimension. Does that make sense? And I don't know if you can see it, but each of the little lines is, they're dotted. Each of the squares is dotted. They're like a dotted square, which makes it really nice. Oh. No bleed through on the back. I would totally use the back side of this paper. Alright. Moving on to 99-cent store graph paper. Robert Oster. Really nice paper. Ha! It barely bled through, which is amazing. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Alright. This is shopiScholar.com writing tablet. You can find this at the Dollar Tree. Robert Oster. It's nice. I like it. No bleed through on the back. I would totally use the back side of this paper. Alright. Moving on to Hewlett Packard Color Inkjet 90 gram 24-pound copy paper. Robert Oster. Back to the review. Sorry. There's little tiny bits of dotting, but I would totally use the back side of this paper. Moving on to Rhodia 80 gram dot grid paper. Robert Oster Thunderstorm. It looks nice. Kind of smeary though. This is really smooth paper. Great for markers. No bleed through on the back. I would totally use the back side of this paper. Last but not least, we're going to look at the Mead. I still haven't gotten response back from Mead what the weight is on this paper, so I'm just going to guess. I'm going to guesstimate that it's less than Hewlett Packard and more than the next one that we're going to do. So, Robert Oster. No bleed through on the back. I would totally use the back side of this paper. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be, for a little while anyway, this is going to be an addition. This is Dollar Tree. What do they call it? Paper fill? Fill paper. This paper is a joke. So, we're going to have some fun. We're going to just see how many inks from now on will bleed through it. So, Robert Oster, Thunderstorm. Did you see that? Watch very carefully. Doot, 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 doot. Do you know why? Because it bled right through the paper. This paper is really absorbent, so I would not use the backside of this paper for anything. And I will be right back with the Nick Stewart technique. And now we come to the final event. Alrighty, well, I'm going to leave this to dry. And that'll be all for today. So, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to rate with a thumbs up. Make a comment telling me if you have this ink, if you like it. And if you have not done so already, please subscribe. I do lots of different things here on the interwebs these days, mostly having to do with calligraphy and fountain pens and ink and paper and being a little bit creative here now and then. So that's all. Have a great day. Okay, love you. Bye.